So any website, after creating any email account, so we're creating for so many email accounts will be here. So how to log in your email account? One is called using by the Cpanel. Option called Checkmail. So any user and particular person, how to log in your webmail access? That is called exert your domain using for webmail or colon 2096. Two option / webmail colon 2096 is a copy this. And here will be the two options for login for this. Here, just you can go for login your webmail access. One is round cube, second will be hard. So enter your Gmail in your official email and password. Open your. So this will be total. Compose your email by 2. Add your subject. The same like Gmail. Attach your file up to 50 MB. For email, you can send by using webmail. To attach each file only up to support 50 MB. Gmail support by 25 MB. Webmail will support by up to 50 MB to send by any person. This is called to log in your webmail, to send by emails and receive by emails. Receive will be sent and inbox. This is access your webmail access. That is for two URLs. 2096 / webmail. Here is a colon. Here will be webmail.